Hello friends, welcome back. I am CA Rahman Bhamani and today we are going to discuss about the most important topic which can change your financial life if you implement it. Friends, this is not a get rich quick scheme. So please don't expect to get rich tomorrow or day after tomorrow or after a month or after a year. It will take time to get rich. So if we are talking about getting rich, we should not forget about Mr. Warren Buffett, the richest investor alive. And let us look at the net worth of Warren Buffett over the years. So when he was of the age of 15 years, his net worth was 6,000. And when his age was 30, his net worth was 1 million. So it took 15 years after he started to reach 1 million. And at the age of 44, his net worth was 19 million. And at the age of 47, it was 67 million. At the age of 52, it was 376 million. And at the age of 53, it was 620 million. And at the age of 56, he reached 1.4 billion. So only after the age of 56, he could reach the billion mark. At 58, it was 2.3 billion. At 59, it was 3.8 billion. At 66, it was 17 billion. At 72, it was 36 billion. At 83, it was 58.5 billion. And currently, at the age of 90, his net worth is 87.5 billion. So currently, if we look at his net worth, which is 87.5 billion, so 99% of the net worth has been built after the age of 50. As you can see, his net worth was not even 1 billion at the age of 50. So 99% of the wealth he has created is after the age of 50. So as I told you, becoming rich takes time. Warren Buffett started at the age of 13 and now at the age of 90, he is the most richest investor in the world. So if you have already passed the age of 13 and not yet started investing, I would say you should start because it's already too late. And now let us look at the secret formula which Warren Buffett had applied. That formula is nothing but compound interest. Let us see the Einstein's quote on compound interest. He said, compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it, he who doesn't pays it. And if you understand it, you will earn it. If you don't understand it, you will pay it. So let us understand what is compound interest. So if we invest 1,000 and the rate of interest is 12% per annum, so for 1 year the interest will be 120 and the total amount at the end of 1 year will be 1120. Now what happens in the second year is you will get the interest on this total amount, which is 1120. So interest amount on 1120 at 12% will be 134. So at the end of second year you will have 1254. And again in the third year it will be on this amount 1254, the interest will be 151 and the total amount comes to 1405. Same way it goes for fourth year and fifth year also. So you can see in the fifth year the interest is 189 and in the first year it was 120. It is more than 50% higher in the fifth year. So by just lapse of time your income grows, and this secret formula is known as compound interest. So how can you use this formula? Let's see with an example. So let's say if your age is 35 and you invest 10,000 rupees per month and the rate of interest is 12% per annum, your total investment till the age of 60 will be 30 lakh rupees and the maturity at the age of 60 will be 1.70 crore. Now what if you had started 5 years earlier? Let's say there is some other guy who has started at the age of 30 and everything else remains same. The rate of interest is 12%, but he has invested for 5 more years. So his total corpus comes to 3.08 crores. Just by 5 years, he can earn 1.3 crore more. Just by starting 5 years earlier with an additional 6 lakh investment, he is able to make 1.3 crore extra. Now, what if you had started at the age of 25? So let's say if there is a young person who is of the age of 25 and he starts investing 10,000 rupees per month, everything else remains same, and total investment till the age of 60 years will be 42 lakhs, and the total corpus will be 5.51 crores at the age of 60 years. So you can see the gap. If you start late, you can see it on your maturity value. So 5 years delay will cost you 2 crores. Another 5-year delay will cost you 1.3 crores. So the earlier you start, the better it is for you. So now if you are thinking that I cannot save, I don't have enough money with me, so I recommend you to watch my video in which I have shared 11 easy ways to save money, and the link is given in the description and also in the I marked here. So you can check out that video, 11 easy ways to save money, and you can save extra bucks and you can start investing. And the key is to stay invested for a longer period of time. Till the age of 60 years, you have to consistently keep investing. You should not stop in between that, okay, I am done with 5 years, I will not invest now. If you stop investing, then your corpus will be hit and it cannot grow and it cannot use the power of compounding. Now let us see with another example. If you start at the age of 25 years, this is the example which we already saw. At the age of 60 years, you will get 5.51 crores if you invest 10,000 rupees per month and the rate of interest being 12%. Now over the period, over the time, your salary will grow, your income will grow. So why not invest little more amount? So if you invest 5% extra every year, so if you are investing 10,000 rupees per month in the first year, in next year you will invest 5% extra, which will be 10,500 from the second year, and from the third year it will be 11,025 rupees, so on and so forth. So if you keep on increasing 5% every year, your total investment will be 1.08 crore and your maturity at the age of 60 years will be 8.62 crores. So you can see a very big improvement in the maturity value. It is almost 3 crores extra. What if you can increase your investment by 10% every year? So first year you are investing 10,000, next year you will be investing 11,000, after that it will be 12,100, so on and so forth. So your total investment till the age of 60 years will be 3.25 crores and your maturity value at the age of 60 years will be 15.76 crores. So you can see from 5.51 crores to 15.76 crores. Almost 10 crores extra you will get if you increase your investment by 10% every year. So friends, if you are thinking that how will I get this 12% per annum returns on my investment, I have already made a video in which I have shared how to make 1 crore rupees from an SIP of 10,000 rupees per month in ETF, exchange traded funds. So you can check out that video. In that video I have shared the past performances of the ETF. Though the past performance is not a guarantee for the future, but still it gives you a rough estimate that you can make this much amount for the future. Friends, if you like my video, do hit like button, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will receive all the future notifications of my video. Thank you.